Hey guys, we're going to be solving some quadratic equations, okay? So we're going to solve this equation. Essentially, I want to know what does x equal, okay? So the way you would do this is you would just say, well, what number squared equals 36? So what number can I square to get 36? Well, if I take the square root of both sides, okay? If I take the square root of both sides, I need to be mindful that if I square a positive number or a negative number, I'm going to get a positive number. So x squared, right, is 36. That means the square root of that, so x can either equal a positive or a negative square root of 36. And we know that the square root of 36 is 6, right? So the answers to this, okay, the two values that x equal are both 6 and negative 6. All right? But let's say we have a situation like this, where it's 2x squared equals 8. All right? Now, I need to get x by itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 2. All right? So that cancels here, and that gives me x squared is equal to 4. That means that x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 4. So that means that x equals plus or minus 2, or that could be written as 2 and negative 2. All right, sometimes though, it can look like this. X squared plus 5 is equal to 21. All right, but I need to know what x equals. So I'm going to get the x by itself by first subtracting 5. Now I have x squared equals 16. All right, then I'm going to take the square root of both sides, but that leaves me, remember, that's plus or minus 16. So x equals plus or minus the square root of 16. Well, what's the square root of 16? That's 4. All right, so that means that our answers are 4 and negative 4. Hope that makes sense.